spirituality for me truly is a lifesaver. Because spirituality will teach you how to be connected with that certain divine force. Because now that I observe spirituality, I commune with my God, with the divine, with that higher force, creator. Every time I wish to, I commune with this God force. Every time I wish to. Walang maraming kailangang sundin na rules in order to commune with this ultimate divine force. Kundi yung presensya ko lang, tsaka yung intention ko to either give thanks, or to ask question, or to ask for clarity, for guidance and provision, or magsumbong. Yun. It's so beautiful. Spirituality is something personal. It's a practice that you can do any time of the day, any day of the week. It's very personal, and that's why it's so interesting and it's so easy to do. Mas easy kang makakabuild ng relasyon sa certain divine force na yun kay God kung alam mong ang divine force na ito is omnipresent. Hindi siya available dahil lang tinawag mo siya. It's always there. It's always waiting for you to connect to it. Connect with it. Yeah. And I am inviting you to please research more about spirituality and quantum physics to get a deeper understanding of the connection of spirituality and science. It's so beautiful. It's mind-blowing. It's empowering. Much love, this is Iya Vine at Radio. Have a pleasant and great day ahead. Carpe diem, namaste, and hiraya manawari. Mwah.